Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Lexus Deep Dive. Today, we have the pleasure to have with us Ito-san, the General Manager of Lexus Electrified. He has joined us directly from our new Lexus home in Japan, in Shimoyama, to be precise, grouping all sales, marketing, and planning functions, and now being the home to approximately 3,000 employees. With this new technical center and the passion of our brand holder and master driver, Akio Toyoda, we are committed to craft ever better cars. Now, as mentioned earlier in the plenary today, as a company, we plan at Toyota to launch 15 new battery electric vehicles by 2026. The Lexus contribution in this strategy is absolutely key, not only in number of vehicles, but also in advancing the electrified technologies. While focusing on electrification and delivering the essential joy of driving or creating new driving experiences, we remain vigilant and attentive of our customers' voice. We aim really to deliver the right product at the right place at the right time, leaving nobody behind. In the context of Lexus Multipass strategy, Lexus achieved the all-time record in terms of sales and market share. Our sales have increased by more than 20% on a year-to-year basis, making us one of the fastest growing automotive brands in the European region. The success of Lexus is also global, and I'm really happy to announce that we have strongly contributed to a global sales record with over 850,000 vehicles sold worldwide. Let me maybe highlight three key contributors to this record in Europe. First, the LBX. Despite being a young model, LBX has already made a significant impact as our second best-selling car, with almost 24,000 units sold last year. Second, our PHEVs represent, meanwhile, a solid 20% share of our total sales, and we expect these to expand further in the coming years. And lastly, the BEV contribution has also been significant, with sales doubling in 24 compared to the year before. In fact, we believe we are on the right track, confirmed now by the first 2 months of this year, with our sales again up by more than 20% thanks to our strongest lineup ever. A momentum we would like to keep, ideally even to reinforce, as we will announce 3 new BEV models in the next 12 months. And in that context, we will see the Lexus BEV formula applied to one of our core models. Our intention is to build BEV momentum, leading to a future-defining Japan Mobility Show in October later this year that will contribute to reimagine the Lexus brand. And let's start now with the first of these 3 models, the new Lexus RZ. And for that, let me now hand over to Ito-san, who will give you all the insights related to RZ.